This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the forgotten device is actively in pairing mode and your phone or PC has Bluetooth enabled. Once done, toggle Bluetooth off and back on to refresh the radio. This clears transient connection states. You should also close interfering apps and move within 3-5 meters for reliable discovery. Finally, open the system Bluetooth settings so you can watch new device entries appear. This immediate view lets you act as soon as the device is found. Once your settings are open, use the system option to add or pair a device. On Windows, look for Add Bluetooth or Other Device. On iOS, tap the device name under Bluetooth, and on Android, choose Pair New Device. When the forgotten device appears, select it and confirm a PIN or accept the pairing request. This verifies identity and prevents accidental connections. Make sure to grant necessary permissions for audio or data transfer, so the device functions fully after pairing. After pairing, verify the connection by playing audio or sending a test file so you confirm both link and permissions. If the device doesn't appear, remove any stale entries labeled similarly and rescan. Sometimes rebooting both devices clears cache states. As a last resort, reset the Bluetooth or network settings on your phone or factory reset the accessory. This clears paired lists and resolves software mismatches. If problems continue, ensure firmware is updated. Many pairing bugs are fixed in updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.